Oh my gosh! Kelly, guys!
Sorry, sorry. Oh my God. Okay,
Oh,
I'm
so
going to
sexy.
sing Bring Me to Life ba?
Oh, show
Bring Me to
your
Life ba?
slit now.
Ayun,
Show
sorry.
your slit. Oh
Charot.
shit!
Guys, hanggang ganito lang siya. Sorry naman, charot. Game na ba?
Okay, what song you gonna sing?
I'm going to sing Bring Me to Life.
Oh shit! Go, 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 Miss Kelly Bay.
Okay. Oh my God, nakakalarky. How can you see into my eyes like open doors, leading you down into my core, where I become so numb without a soul. My spirit's living somewhere cold until you find it there and lead it back home. Wake me up inside, wake me up inside. Call my name and save me from the cold. Bid my blood to run before I come undone. Save me from the nothing I become. Now that I know what I'm without, you can just leave me, breathe into me and make me real. Bring me to life. Wake me up inside, wake me up inside. Call my name and save me from the dark. Bid my blood to run before I come undone. And save me from the nothing I become. Bring me to life. Rose inside without your touch, without your love, darling. Only you are the light among the dead. I've been sleeping 1,000 years it seems. Got to open my eyes to everything. Bring me to life. Wake me up inside. Wake me up inside. Call my name and save me from the dark. Bid my blood to run before we come undone. Save me from the nothing I become. Bring me to life. Thank you. Wow, Miss Kelly, Nairaos,
thank
Diyos
you
ko.
so much.
Nairaos. Thank you.
More patumpa, more.
Thank you so much po.
No more na? More.
No more na. No more na. Nagtanong eh.
No more na.
Bye na. Bye-bye na.
Okay.
Thank you so much,
Thank you
Jess.
so much, Kelly Babe.